this video, we're gonna learn this pattern. So first of all, we're gonna draw this pattern in pen paper by the help of pen on paper. We will draw this box and write some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and same. It will this line will represent the I for loop. And this line will represent J loop. By this, we know from where our J start and where it end. And this we will know from where our I start and where it end. So after writing this, secondly we can gonna write our body for the for loop. So here we'll create a class main, and we will write basic body public static string address. Okay, in this we will create two for loop. One is I, and inside the I we will create a for loop of j. So I for loop start with 1 and it will end on it will end on 5 5 and I plus plus. Same for j. Int j, we're gonna start j is equals to 1. J will start with 1 and j less than equals to 5. Wait a second. Less than equals to 5, and same here j less than equals to 5 and j plus 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 plus. Okay, in this we will create in this loop will print a 5 by 5 box which will look like this box in each and every place with stars. So in this now we will write a if loop, and this if loop differentiate where star gonna print and where space gonna print. If this condition gonna be true, then star gonna print, and if this condition gonna false, the space gonna print. So we'll write system dot out dot print, only print, not print ln. So here we write x to represent stars, and again here system dot out print ln. This will type space. So each and every time when this condition gonna true, this condition gonna true, the star gonna print, and each and every time this condition gonna be false, this space gonna print. Okay, and at each and every time j loop gonna run, we need to go on a next line. Okay, so after end of j loop we will print a next line. How can we print next line? We will type print ln. So it will be look like system dot out dot print ln. Okay, so print ln. Here we in this while we printing star or pattern, we do not type print ln. We will use only print, just because we do not need to go on a next line after printing this. And this here we will print here we will write print ln, just because after completing a j loop we need to go on a next line. So now we're gonna build a logic to put in this if statement. For that, here after this is our first step, just like always, this is our first step. And in the next step let me put this on up. Wait a second. Okay, this is our next step. So what we are going here, we will write I and the position of I 1 2 3 4 5, and here we will write the position of j. Each and every time I is 1, then j is 1 2 3 4 5. I is 2, then j is 1 2 3 4. Same this pattern in an position. This will represent the position of stars. Okay, this is nothing hard. This is our second step. This is our second step. After doing this, what we need to do, we need to do our third step. So what our third step is? This. Wait a second. Okay. So this is our third step. In this here, in third step, what we did, we will write position of I, which is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here, and this is the position of j. So here we will write j position. We will write, copy this. This is position of j. So what we did, we let's consider from the I position 3. So when I is 3, when I is 3, what we've seen, it is it either it is 3 or less than 3, right? In position when I is 2, either this is 4 or less than 4. This is either 5 or less than 5. Same with either it is 2 or less than 2. So we write this as same here. J is less than equals to 5, j is less than equals to 4, j is less than equals to 3, j is less than equals to 2, j is less than equals to 1. Okay, so this is the simple step we will do always. And after doing this is so easy to convert this in single line. Up now we need to convert this different line in a single line which we put on that if condition. So what we're gonna do is we will see this. This is in a decreasing manner, 5 4 3 2 1. Each and every time when I is 1, this here is we need 5. When I is 2, here we need 4. Here is when I 3, we need 3. When I is 4, we need 2. In a decreasing manner, this is an increasing manner. And this I 1 2 3 gonna be I 1 2 3 gonna be by the loop gonna run from 1 to 5. So this is default we gonna get. So what we can do, we can use this by as we can we do just like j greater than equals to j greater than equals to 6 minus 6 minus I. So here let's see this. Each and every time we can we put this condition on each of that place. We can remove this and we can write every place this condition. So let's consider this. When I is 2, we write this है ना. We will look this, and j less than equal to 6 minus I. 6 minus I is 2. 6 minus I, what is 4? And here 6 minus I, 6 is 6 my I is 3. 6 minus I, 3 is 3. So we can put 6 minus I in each of this place, and our and this whole code this whole logic gonna be convert in a single logic. So all we need to do to put this logic in that if statement. So let's do it. So here we need to write what j less than equals to j less than equals to 6 minus I. I is 1 from 5, j is 1 to 5. So we need to write 6 minus I. Each and every time this condition gonna true, our star gonna print, and each and every time this condition gonna false, our space gonna print. So I hope you understand the code and the logic behind it. Let's run it, and if there's no error, let's see. Yeah, it is. There's some error. Okay, so here is the. It will take. Okay, so here our print gonna be print exactly the same. And this is the code. I will provide you this code in a comment section. And this is the simple pattern and a basic logic behind it. So here, this is our steps. This is step first, second, and third. After doing this, we can easily get a logic to convert this into this. And this is all about the code and the logic for this pattern. You can see, check out the code again and understand it by own. I will using online java.com. This is a web-based compiler, so you can also check it out. Thank you, everyone.